Welcome aboard a new podcast of Radio Karoun. Today we'll deal with, freedom. What is freedom? The meaning of freedom, the definition of it, is not to be imprisoned or enslaved. It is also defined as the power to speak, act, or think as one wants. Well, moreover, we would say that freedom is your capability to represent yourself with your acting possibilities, your choices up to you or which you can create to yourselves. Beyond these definitions, we have to say that freedom is very melted into conceptions, ideas, or into cliches. Nowadays, freedom is a very superficial thing because everyone can eat somehow, travel around the world with a bit of money or knowledge. But where to start with freedom? Freedom is based on your adaptability to think it as it owns its first definitions, which means you have to enlarge and make grow your definition of freedom. You have to amass to ensure that you have all the cards to be able to play the game of life. Next step is to think that there is the freedom known as physical or unphysical thing, potential freedom in a world which doesn't exist, like utopia, And to begin with, we have education, which is based to develop your idea of your conception of freedom. Next, you have to ensure that you have self-esteem and stuff, and etc. Then you climb on the ladder of life and ongoings, and you will learn a lot about your own freedom and capability to make this or that choice. Furthermore, with destiny stuff and either things, Thank you for listening to this little podcast about freedom and reality of it. Tschüss. Bis bald.